The Enforcement Directorate has launched countrywide raids against Hassan Ali. The raids are currently on in Calcutta, Mumbai, Bangalore as well as in Delhi. In Delhi, the houses of a Bihar politician who allegedly helped Hassan Ali in getting a passport made from Patna is also being raided. And now Nikunj joins us on the phone line for more on this story. Well, Nikunj, we saw in the morning that the house of the chartered accountant of Hassan Ali was raided, and now fresh raids being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate as more and more leads are coming out from the interrogation of Hassan Ali.
It looks so because with the speed at which the Enforcement Directorate is carrying out the raids and the speed at which it is locating new places to carry out those searches and targeting new individuals during the process of raids, it looks that they are now finally, after Supreme Court has been after them for doing a thorough investigation in the Hassan Ali case, they are finally building a body of investigation, a trail of paperwork which can surely lead to some type of conviction, whether the conviction happens under the Foreign and Exchange Management Act, whether the conviction happens under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, either of the two acts of which the ED is whole sole custodian. They're sort of building a body of evidence wherein it looks like they would be able to bring Hassan Ali to the book. They'll be able to at least corner him to a position where they can successfully mount legal trial. Now, whether the trial goes in their favor or Hassan Ali's favor would be decided by a court of law, but surely looks like that they are being able to build a body of evidence.
Now, what is likely to be the next course of action of the Enforcement Directorate? Because there were news reports that Enforcement Directorate officials are likely to go to places like Switzerland in order to investigate this scam.
Well, that's an interesting question. In fact, this was the same question that I asked the senior Enforcement Directorate officials this morning in their headquarters in New Delhi. And they told me that the first step, of course, would be that they would seek additional Enforcement Directorate custody of Hassan Ali for a period of at least 3 more days. So that would mean the third additional custody of Hassan Ali being sought by the Enforcement Directorate in a period of 10 days. And they can talk of the rest 4 days of the custody that they can get under the rules of police custody for the next round of hearings. So first of all, they will again move the court, say that we have built a robust body of investigation on the basis of which kindly grant us 3 more additional days of custodial interrogation of Hassan Ali, which is required. So that